So here we are back out at the bend for another night of roll racing. It's almost been 12 months, but well, got the homie Jamie behind me. He's not racing tonight though. But yeah, thought I'd talk a little bit about the car. It's just a stock LS1. Nothing special. It's got an exhaust and an intake. So probably won't win too many races tonight, but the whole idea is to come out and have some fun. So yeah, I'll see you later back out on the track. Just some of the cars on display out here at the bend. There's some of the competition for tonight. A twin turbo VT, Club Sport. We've got a Mint VL turbo BT1. Another VE HSV. We'll have to convince the missus to sell her Highlander Kona and maybe get one of these Kona Ns, I reckon. Nice little I-30N. Another Holden. Sorry, HSV. Don't want to upset the HSV fans. It's not a Holden. Another little Ford Focus. Turbo Falcon. Another Club Sport. It looks like there's a few nice cars out here. Rexy Wagon. Series 2 RX-7 by the looks of it. R35 GDR. It looks like there's a fair bit of competition out here tonight. I don't think I'm going to win one race. Unless someone breaks down, of course. So it looks like we got a Harrop charged LS3 Wago. Check this thing out. Big oof. And it looks like Jason Ferron from the Keep It Ring Kang gangs here. He's probably finished drifting. Now he's going to do some roll racing by the looks of it. So I wonder if I'll get to line him up. But no doubt this thing, I think, puts out 500 kilowatts. So yeah, it'll probably beat my stock LS1. But we'll see how we go. Alright, so here we go. We're pulling out into the pits. Getting ready. There's a bit of a lineup already, so yeah, let's get this party started. Alright, so here we are. Driving around the track, getting ready to line up. So yeah, we'll see what we get on our first run and see how we go for the night. So we're almost at the start line. Looks like luck of the draw. I'm probably going to be going against this Subaru WRX wagon that's sitting in front of me. So we'll see how we go. Got him on that one. That wasn't too bad. Didn't mean to actually take off in first gear then, but oh well, still got the win. See how we go next round. Yeah, so it looks like there's a vast variety of cars out here tonight. A couple of rotaries, a few Skylines, Seems to be a lot of Holden Commodores. Got an i30N sitting next to me. I know there's a Kona in up there. A couple of BMWs. I haven't seen the McLaren out on track yet, but I don't know. Looks like we got some old school muscle. There's a HQ going up there ready to run. I know there was a nice HG that was in the pits earlier. You'll probably see some photos of that in this video. We may already have. But yeah, so far so good. Car held up together. I was a bit worried it was going to exit one rod, but the old stock LS1 is doing pretty good. So yeah, it looks like this time we might be going up against another SS, this time in a VE form, in a wagon. So we'll be up next after these two, so we'll see how we go. Just got him on that one. That's not bad. That's probably a 6 litre. So yeah, that's 2 for 2 for the night. Already doing better than I thought we would be. So I definitely can't complain about that. So yeah, they got some pretty strict rules here. You know, you're not allowed to do power skids. No going sideways around the corners. Basically no producing smoke, because this is actually used as a racetrack and they don't want to destroy it. So yeah, we'll see how we go again. Alright, so this guy in this King AMG, he's just called me out. He wants to have a run in the race your mate lane, so I guess we'll see how we go against the Merc now. So here we go, we're going to be racing the AMG C63. That's what 100 grand versus my 20 grand get you. Here we go, looks like we're going up against a Holden Caprice. Shift there. So here we are, 4 runs in for the night, 2 wins, 2 L's, which doesn't bother me. I'm mainly out here to have a little bit of fun. Car's going good, it's not getting hot, everything's charging, no weird noises, all rods and pistons are still in the engine. Yeah, I think the trans might be having a bit of an issue though. It seems a bit slow on its shift, and yeah, hit limiter in the last run, but might just have to try and shift a little bit earlier next time. So
Not sure what we're going to go up against next. Could either be the Nissan Safiro in front of me, or it could be some AMG SUV thing behind me. But yeah, we'll see how we go. So yeah, it looks like I'm going to be lining up with some AMG SUV. It's going to be embarrassing if I get beaten by this one, but as I said, stock LS1. Gave it a bit of a jerk on the gear change. I don't really think it likes taking off in first gear, so I think I'm going to have to do second from now on. Oh well, that's another L for the night. But you can't win them all. Just out here having fun. So, came me a stocky LS1. May have a small cam. May have a little bit of head work. Maybe tuned, but yeah. So I've been called out again by I think it was a VF Commodore of some description. He's sitting behind me at the moment. Yeah, I think it might be a HSV maybe, might even be a VE, not too sure. I guess I'll know more when they pull up next to him, but yeah, we'll see how we go against this one. I'll try and shift in time this time, but well, not fussed about losers, just hoping the car stays together so I can drive it home at the end of the night. SRT Jeep, getting a bit tongue tied. So yeah, it looks like I'll be running some HSV next to me, so I'll know more when he pulls up next to me. Ah yep, HSV GDS. As much as I thought he was going to. I honestly thought he would have left me for dust. He's probably got a supercharged LS3 and LSA, sorry. Yeah, that's an LSA. So my little stocky LS1 VLSA, I thought it wasn't too bad. Been a good night so far. As I said, car's holding together, alternator's charging, temps are staying cool. So yeah, I didn't say anything, but after I pulled off track from the last roll racing event I done, which was almost 10 months ago, yeah, car had a few issues. Found out some people that had done some work on the car who'd really done some dodgy work, and yeah, broken parts that they tried to glue together. They left the battery cable loose on the alternator. You know, part of that's my fault. Like, I should have really looked at the car and gone right over it before bringing it out racing, but you know, I thought everything would have been pretty tip-top, but obviously it wasn't. But yeah, I've since then I've rewired half the engine bay, like to the air temp sensor, rewired all the thermo fans in, cleaned it all up, replaced the fuel purge solenoid, replaced that alternator because that was fried, and yeah, gave it a fresh service, and here we are. I think that was the same caprice from last time. So if he bet me once, he was going to beat me again. So yeah, I don't know whether to stay out on track and hopefully I can hold my piss in, or maybe pull off and go to the toilet again. Ah, the joys. Alright, so it looks like I've pulled the guy behind me that's going to be my next run, which, looking in the mirror, VE Ute. So that'll be the 8th run for the night, I think. I've only had 2 wins, so hopefully here's a slow one, but we'll see. Time we had a win. See, yeah, he's behind us. That's all good. Man, you really can't see diddly fucking squat around this track. Almost need to put my I-beam blinders on. But oh well, that was a win for the night. So that's win number 3 to 5 losses. So I just need to win another 2 more to break even, and I'll be happy with that. Gonna end up lining up against next to a old Holden 1-tonner, so this should be interesting. No idea what he's running. In a way, I hope he beats me because it looks like it's a pretty nice car and it should have a lot of power. We'll see how we go. It's a pity, I was really hoping to get a run against that Kona. I reckon that should be quite interesting. Alright, so here we go, we're going up against the old Holden 1-tonner. different for the night. Something old for a change. Now, eventually I do want to get some more power out of this car, but I'm keen for the Ben to complete their actual drag strip. I want to see what this car runs in its current form down the quarter mile. On paper it should be mid to high 11s, I suppose, just judging by what other people's power figures, what my power figures are. Yeah, so keen to just see what she does down the quarter mile from a standing start. And then I'll take it from there. I really, you know, this is my street car as well. Like, it's not my daily, it doesn't get driven every day, but it is my street car. I want to keep it as a street car, so, you know, here in Australia you can't go too fast without a roll cage. Having a car registered with a roll cage can be quite difficult, so I'd like to sort of keep it on the road, keep attention away from the police a little bit, but still have a semi-quick vehicle for having a bit of fun in. So yeah, that's the plans with the car. So it looks like I'm drawn up against this old SS Crewman, so guess we'll see how we go against this one. This might be the last run before they start eliminations, and yeah, depending on what I line up against with them. Oh no, looks like I'm going to be going the car behind me, so I'm not too sure what that is, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. Can't really make heads nor sense of it, so it looks like it might be another car of some description, but no more when it pulls up next to me. Ah yeah, another Commodore wagon. Nosed him out. Just nosed him out by a little bit. Whew, that was a good run, side by side the whole way. That's what I like. No, I don't mind losing, but I mean, you know, we always prefer to win, but a good side-by-side run where you can tell the cars are evenly matched, it's pretty good. I think I said it last time, they don't run any classes out here, so it's all whatever you manage to pull up next to is what you run against. So you could be in a 300 horsepower car, and luck of the draw, you line up next to some bloody 1000 horsepower car. That's just the way it goes. So yeah, I don't know, we might see if we can sneak one more in. I'll go line up, but yeah, we might sneak one more run in before we get booted for the start of eliminations. But yeah, let's see how we go. So here we go, we're just cruising the track, ready to line up for the first round of eliminations. So it'll be luck of the draw as to what I'm going to be going up against, but yeah, oh well, if I get knocked out first round, it's been a fun night. So here we go. No idea what I'm going to line up against yet, but probably something that's going to kick me out first round, but we'll see how we go. It's all in the name of fun. Alright, looks like I might be left-hand lane. Lighted on that one. I don't know what the fuck he was doing, but oh well, we'll see what happens. I think he tried playing some mind games, but so I don't know what's going on after that last run. All I know is I just backed out because I seen it was a red light. But yeah, now apparently some cars let go, and by the looks of it, they've dumped a crap load of oil down the track. So we're sitting around the back side of the track, waiting to find out what's going on. Fun times. So that's it for the night. Botched up the last video and the last run, but yeah, ended up getting knocked out by a Turbo Barra Ute, but all good. Had a good night. Car's still running, still ticking over, so at least I'll be able to get home. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all next time.